A very good morning, guys. My name is Faizan Patel, and today we have the Bose SoundSports free headphones with us today, and we'll be doing the unboxing for the same. So let's get started. So let's open this flap right there, and here we have the headphones, and here we have the user manual and the warranty card. Yep, that's what it is. Let's keep this aside. And here we have the charging cable for the headphones. It's the micro USB type 2. And here we have the ear tips, the small size and the large size. And I believe the medium size is already attached to the headphones inside. So let's take this out and talk about the star of the day. So the headphones will be available in 3 high gloss colors: black, midnight blue and bright orange, and will be priced at 18,990 rupees only, and they will be available online on Bose India's website and also on Amazon.in starting 7 February. In order to connect the headphones to your phone, you'll have to download the Bose Connect app from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Also, if you ever happen to misplace them, using Bose Connect's Find My Buds feature, you can actually find out where exactly you placed them, and also you'll be able to locate them quickly. The buds are powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which gives it up to 5 hours of powerful clear music. These earbuds are rugged and also IPX4 rated to resist water and sweat. So when you're working out, you don't have to worry about the sweat or water ruining your earbuds at all.